Just days after announcing it was shutting down, newly released bankruptcy documents reveal the true extent of Minnesota Rusco's financial collapse. The company is buried in more than $100 million in debt, and now customers and vendors are left wondering if they'll ever see their money or unfinished work. When Adam Beck decided to upgrade his home, he chose what he believed was a trusted local company with a familiar jingle. But since 2022, Minnesota Rusco has actually been owned by Texas-based Renovo Home Partners. Last week, Renovo and its 15 affiliated companies abruptly closed their doors. Adam says he hasn't heard a word from the company since. After paying a $5,000 down payment for new doors, he was left completely in the dark. Even the company's website disappeared. According to new Chapter 7 bankruptcy filings, Adam is now one of hundreds of creditors facing the same situation. Minnesota Rusco and its affiliates reported between $100 million and $500 million in debt, but less than $10 million in assets. Experts say that based on the assets available, there's virtually no chance most creditors, if any, will be fully repaid. Minnesota's Attorney General is still encouraging customers to file complaints. Meanwhile, the Department of Labor and Industry has shared information about the state's Contractor Recovery Fund, which could eventually distribute up to $550,000 total, divided among all eligible victims. But customers may need a legal judgment first, and payouts could take 1 to 2 years, possibly amounting to just 10 cents on the dollar. As frustrating as the situation is, many Twin Cities contractors are stepping up to help stranded homeowners. Andy Lindy's of Lindis Construction, who once declined an offer to sell to Renovo, is now working with others to fix the mess. Vendors are joining in too. William Schwetz of Key Prime Roofing and Remodeling in Golden Valley says his company will provide exterior work at cost for any Minnesota Rusco customer who lost money. We want to support our local community and rebuild trust in local contractors, he said. Several contractors have already contacted Adam personally with offers to help. He's grateful, but says the priority right now is getting his money back. Both companies assisting customers have set up direct contact channels for former Minnesota Rusco clients, and that information is available online. With thousands of dollars at stake for many families, some paying as much as $15,000 for projects that were never started, it's clear the road ahead will be long and complicated. But the support from local contractors is offering at least some hope during a very difficult situation. What do you think about this collapse? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.